happy Sunday again. I hope you all are having a fantastic day and a fantastic start to September. I just can't, y'all. I'm so excited. So, as you can see from the description down below, today we are going to be unboxing the September 2019 My Paper Box Grand. So, for those of you that are not familiar, this is a stationery subscription, but the best part about it is it's personalized. As you can see right here. So we will get into this in just a second. First, again, I do want to say welcome. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having a wonderful weekend and a wonderful start to September. So I do want to remind you guys, we have our 5,000 subscriber giveaway going on. So if you have not entered, that link will be down below. And we also have, from earlier this morning, the Thrift Bag giveaway where you can win a Betsy Johnson backpack. So check out those, as well as the Tribe Beauty Box giveaway. We have quite a few giveaways going on. The Tribe Beauty Box does end on the 6th. The other two both end on the 22nd. So definitely check it out. If you're new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. And as always, please leave a comment down below telling me about your day, and I just love hearing from you guys. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, we're gonna go ahead and go over My Paper Box. So their grand subscription is $28 a month, and you receive cards, notepads, pens, pencils. It's always a variety. We get a cute, adorable little calendar every month, and it's just always so fun to open, and the themes are always absolutely adorable. And they do also offer a mini subscription that is only $10 a month, where you receive 3 personalized notepads. And the notepads could be just plain notepads, but personalized, or they could be like shopping list or different things like that. So it may not always just be a plain, I say plain, but I mean, it's going to have a design, it's going to be personalized, but it may not be just like a generic notepad. It may actually be like a shopping list or something. So they have 2 different subscription levels. I will put the information down below, so definitely head over and check them out, because I'm telling you, it's so cute. So let's get in here and see what we got for September 2019. Okay, first of all, this already looks so cute. They always, when you open the box on the Grand, there's always some kind of message, and it says, "Glad to be on this journey with you." That is so cute, and the hot air balloons. But then I'm already seeing, even without peeling back, I'm seeing some really cute stuff. So we had some polka dot paper. And then this is what I see. So let's get in here and see what we've got this month. So, welcome, Nikki. What's happening in September? They started this recently, and I think it is so cute. This actually goes over, because if you guys think about it, like, there literally is almost a holiday or day for every day. Like, for example, oh, Kitty, you'll love this. Monday, September 16th is Guacamole Day. This is like made for my friends. Gina, Monday, September 9th is Teddy Bear Day. Obviously, September 2nd is Labor Day. And let's see. We have Be Late for Something Day, Positive Thinking Day, Collect Rocks Day, Talk Like a Pirate, International Country Music Day, National Cleanup Day, Ask a Stupid Question Day, Love Note Day, Punctuation Day, Miniature Golf Day, Make Your Bed Day. So, the September, whoa. Wednesday, September 4th is Eat an Extra Dessert Day. So this is super cute. They put this in here, and it gives you ideas of how you could celebrate those special days. And then somewhere in here, we will have a card. You actually get a frame with your name on it, and you get a card every month that is a calendar, and it'll highlight these days on the calendar as well. So that's always cute. So first thing I see here is, I'm assuming, a card, and it says, what day is it? And then they always do send envelopes. Oh, it's a birthday card. It says, happy birthday. It's today. Oh, my favorite day. Christopher, Robin, and Pooh. Oh, Pooh Bear. Oh, that makes me think of, I haven't watched Winnie the Pooh in a very, very long time. But one thing I can never get out of my head whenever I think of or hear anything about Pooh Bear is Tigger and the T-I-double-G-R. All right, so then we have another card. It says, let's escape. Let's see. Sometimes they're blank inside and sometimes there's a message. And it's so let's escape. And then inside it says, join me, ? Your travel buddy, Nikki. So I can send this to somebody that I want to just, let's escape. So that is adorable. All right, and here is our calendar. It is so cute. So it is, you can see here, it'll fit right into the 4x6 frame that has my name on it, and the calendar, and then here it lists all those different days. So that is super cute. And then this says, work, travel, Nikki, save, repeat. Right here. Oh, this is, oh. Oh, I like this. Okay, so the first couple of pages are password lists. So you put the site username, password, things like that. But then, and of course now they're wanting to like stick together. But then it goes into monthly, like birthdays. So the name, their age, and their birth year. So you can keep track of everyone's birthdays, which is really awesome. In fact, I actually just started using, and I should have been using it long before. I got in one of the grand boxes a friend's kind of like address book, and it had a place for birthdays and all of that. So I'm definitely getting better about utilizing all of these amazing organization products and things. So then we have bucket list. Yeah, I need to do that. Then we have another note, and it's got Pooh Bear on it. Ah, it has Pooh, like Pooh Bear. So cute. Oh my gosh. All right, and then we have another card, or is this a card? Oh no, these are like postcards. Oh, I can send it like I went around the world. So it says greetings from Nikki. So there's that one. And then there's that one. People think I went to Rome, the Taj Mahal, Paris or England, but I didn't leave my home. So that is really cute. All right, and then we have go, fly, roam, travel, voyage, Nikki, explore, journey, discover, adventure. And so this is what the front looks like. And again, you can see my name. It is personalized. I always get to where I'm going by walking away from where I have been. Pooh. I love how that's like travel, but they've incorporated Pooh Bear. Your life is happening right now in front of you. My my spelling is wobbly. It's good spelling, but it wobbles and the letters get in the wrong places. So here we kind of just have like a notepad or notebook where you can keep things written down. So that is awesome. And then this last item is the saved for last because it's intriguing me. So it looks like a little suitcase, but it has my name on it. Is that upside down? That's upside down. But it has my name on it. So I'm a little like, what is this? So we're about to find out. Super adorable. I love it. Oh, it's stickers. Ready for new adventures. Adventure. Collect moments, not things. Oh, I love that. Oh, what's that say? Live to wander. Let's travel more. It's a really cute hot air balloon. Ready for new travels or adventures. Take me anywhere. Discover. Oh, a little one fell. What is this one? It's a little airplane. That's cute. Huh, explore. Nikki. The key to success is to start before you're ready. So that's not all of them. There were a few more, but how cute, first of all, is that? This, like, that is just so adorable. I love that they have started including stickers because if you're into scrapbooking, especially for traveling, that would be super adorable. So we got the stickers. We have this little note journal here. We have the postcards, this cute little notepad with Pooh Bear on it, the bucket list, which is important. We have this with the passwords and the birthdays by month. We have our monthly calendar with the important dates. We have the Let's Escape card. We have a birthday card. And then again, the dates all kind of broken down and telling you how to celebrate. I think this was so cute. I really, the little like suitcase with the stickers is just precious, and the incorporating Winnie the Pooh a little bit is fun and kind of takes me back. So I really like this. I thought this was fun. Let me know your thoughts down below. Again, I will put a link to my paper box if you would like to check them out. Again, they have the grand subscription, which is this one, that is $28. There usually is a code floating around where you can get either $10 off or your first box for $10. I'm honestly not sure. And then they do have their mini where you receive 3 notepads. And as you saw, the notepads could be something like bucket list, you know, something. So that's what I was meaning earlier, as it may not just be a, you know, plain listed notepad. It could be something a little different. So, and that again, you get 3 of those for $10. So again, I will leave the link down below. So definitely check them out. It's always so cute and so fun. I definitely recommend it. And I hope that you enjoyed. Have a wonderful rest of your Sunday, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.